on fruits or nuts. So right here we have a tree with fruits and nuts attached for birds. So everyone keep your eyes right back there. Let us welcome Gaia, our hyacinth macaw, and join Gaia will be Adrian, our scarlet macaw. Macaws like that can be found in the forest of South America. Coming back to Gaia, Gaia here is our hyacinth macaw, and hyacinth macaws, they are the largest in the macaw family. So if you want to see more parrots like Gaia and Adrian, all you have to do is head down to the parrot paradise. After feasting, these birds they often fly to rocky areas such as this to lick up on clay or chalk. This will help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Looks like Gaia and Adrian are still here. Like I said, this will always be their final stop. Ooh, nice music.
Hi, Mitra.
Hello, James. Who do you have with you?
Yes, everyone. This is Evie, our scarlet macaw, and as well as Jurong Bird Park's Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador. Now, Evie here, he is so environmentally conscious that whenever he sees little line around, he will pick it up and show them the correct bin.
If he picks up litter, okay. Let's see. I have three kinds of litters here. I have a paper carton, I have a metal can, as well as a plastic bottle.
Okay, and over here I have 3 recycling bins, 1 for paper, metal, and plastic.
Okay, so let's see if we will be able to place the right trash into the right bin.
Alright, Evie, let's show them.
The metal can.
Wow, ang galing niya, ang galing niya. Alam niyo kung saan tinatapon yung basura? Alam niyo kung saan yung... Ayan.
Yes, that's the right bin, but no. James. If he here cannot reach the top, it's a bit too high for him. Do you have something to help him out?
Let me see. Okay, I think I found a cute little stool just for Evie.
Very cute stool. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here. Maybe. I'm sure you know how to use the stool, right? This one, use this, yes.
Wow, alam, ang galing niya. Alam, ang galing niya.
Maybe walking together with the stool. Okay, that's fine. You show everyone how you recycle them.
Okay, he steps on the stool.
Wow!
Ang galing na. Now, with the gentleman, plastic waste have invaded our waters to an extent that he has killed over 1 million wildlife and fish every single year. And plastic found in these natural habitats, they can harm the wildlife if they were to consume or even get entangled in them. So for this reason, plastic is also known as the deadliest monsters.
Oh no, that is actually quite alarming. So if he can do it, I'm very sure all of us can do so. So let's all bid our little strike to save wildlife and help to fight the deadliest monsters together. So with that, let's give Evie and James a round of applause. Thank you. Okay, so before we move on to the next segment, for those of you who have just joined us, welcome to the Pools Amphitheater. Just a gentle reminder, have your mask on at all times, okay? Thank you. In the Jurong Bird Park, we give our birds fun activities to do, like what they do in the wild, and that is called enrichment. So if you take a look at my friend Eileen, she's holding on to an enrichment device. I will be talking to all of you about the device in a very short while, so without further ado, let's welcome our birds, shall we? Everyone keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome our lovely bonnets. There they are, we have 4 of them. There we go. So these birds, they are known as parrots as well. They can be found in South America, just like the macaws you met earlier. Okay, everyone can have a look at those birds. So on the enrichment device, we have two different species. We have the sun conures and we have the Jende conure. The sun conures are the ones with the bright yellow feathers on its back, while the Jende conure is the one with the green feathers on its back. Now let's come back to the enrichment device. It's called a monkey fist. It's basically a rope tied into knots, and in those knots we have hidden treats for our birds to find, just like how they forage for seeds and fruits in the wild. Okay, so one of their favorite treats will be the sunflower seeds, followed by walnuts, Brazil nuts, macadamia nuts, and even almonds. Okay, so 4 of you, it's time for y'all to hit pepper. Okay, one more. There you go. Let's give a round of applause for Gomez, everyone. So what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. They do this in the wild for social communication. Right here we have a yellow-named Amazon parrot. Hello. Okay, so he's going to do some talking for us this afternoon. Hi. You want to say hello?
Ang galing niya.
Okay, come, introduce yourself. Are you done eating? Okay, come, introduce yourself. He's going to say out his name, okay? Are you ready? Tell them your name. Amigo! Did you hear that? His name is Amigo. We'll do this one more time. What's your name? Amigo! There you go. Amigo is his name. Amigo, there's so many of them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? Yeah, that is asking, how are you? Wow, we have a really polite bird here this afternoon. I hope all of you are feeling fine today. Thank you for asking, Amigo. He is actually quite smart. He can count from 1 to 10 in English.
Nagbibilang yung ibon.
5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow! Ang galing! Ang galing niya.
Okay, he can also count in another language. Are you done? Yes? Okay, and the language is Chinese. Very good in Chinese. Now he's going to impress all of you even further, okay? Amigo can sing as well. He can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. That's right. The first song titled Her Ren Lai, which means a guest comes to visit.
Wow.
Let's sing a
Kakanta yung ibon. Ang galing kumanta ng ibon.
Hey, he missed out a couple of words. We'll do this one more time, okay? No shortcuts, amigo. As you can see, you're doing this live, okay? Ready? We'll do it one more time, okay? Sing in Mandarin. Rasa sayang means feelings of love. Ready? Let's sing Rasa sayang. Rasa sayang. Okay, in that one is called another word your birthdays today. So by any chance, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Raise up your hands. Don't be shy. People from this side. Birthdays. Nobody. People in the middle. There. I see some pointing. Don't be shy. Okay, so we have one all the way up there. Two. Okay. Where? Oh, there. Three. Okay, so we have three. I hope I didn't miss anyone in the center. How about people on this side? Birthdays? 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, so many of you. Okay, so for the 7 of you, Amigo is going to sing you a very special song. Okay? Ready?
Ayun. O, kumanta yung iba ng happy birthday. Ang galing niya.
Okay, then happy birthday to you. To all 7 of you, thank you so much for celebrating your birthdays right here in the Bird Park. So now it's time for Amigo to wave back home. Can all of you wave at Amigo? Because he's gonna wave back at you with his wings. Check this out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's right. Bye-bye. Can we give him a round of applause, everyone? After hearing Amigo perform, you might be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot. But please do know that these birds, they require a lot of time. Indeed, they can be found in Asia. Hornbills in general, they can be found in 2 continents of the world, Africa and Asia. So when a female hornbill wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. Can you see the nest box right there? Now that nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our birds right here in the bird park. Okay, I'll be coming out a couple of steps higher. People on this side, you can have a closer look at Vicky. You hear that? That is how hornbills vocalize, okay? There we go. Big bird, isn't she? Okay, so Vicky, I need you to spread your beautiful wings and fly. A little hop hop to your right. Come on, show everyone your cute hop hop. Okay, so what she's doing right now is she's inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. You like it? You go inside. Oh, that was fast. Once inside, she will then seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, or even her own droppings. So Vicky, if you like your nest box, you can seal it up now. You like it?
Sinarado niya yung
Vicky,
pinag.
are you still inside? There she is! Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Sunny! Sunny here is Jerome Bird Park's animal icon, and he is also a great high hornbill. Now, when the mother is inside, when the female is inside the nest, the male would then go out to look for food to feed her. So this will take up to 3 or 4 months until the eggs are hatched. So in the Jerome Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding Oriental Pied hornbills. Thanks to your contributions to our conservation fund, we have successfully released some of them into nature reserves in Singapore, as well as right here in the bird park. So after the show, look up, okay, you might be able to spot some free-flying Oriental Pied hornbills. So in a very short while, Sunny will be making another flight. Oh, look at that! Whoa! Nice! Hello, Sharon. Sharon's going to get Sunny back. And touchdown! Let's give Sunny a round of applause, everyone! Once again, a gentle reminder, please have your mask on at all times. In a very short while, we will be joined by 2 more birds on stage. Now, of course, they often gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. So we're going to have a little competition right now to see who is faster at gathering fruits, and they will be needing supporters. Okay, so all of you here are supporters. I'm going to split you all into 2 groups. People from this side to this side, you will be supporting Toasty, our blue and yellow Mako. The rest of you from this side to this side, you will be supporting Stanley, our green wing Mako. So what I need everyone here to do is clap your hands as loud as you can. Come on! Stomp your feet as loud as you can. Okay, stop. You have to be even louder than this during the actual match, okay? Butts to the table. Right here, I have a hollow tree trunk, where these two birds will be gathering 4 fruits each. Okay? Supporters ready? Birds are ready? Let's go! Let's go see one more. There we go. And the winner is Stanley. Well done, Stanley. Good job, Stanley supporters. Come on, Stan. It's just a warm up. And you want the actual game? What's the actual game? Okay, let me ask them. Okay, give them another chance. He said no. Okay, that's quite sad.